Hi everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, and today we're going to take you on a full tour of one of our latest listings, and I'm here on board this gorgeous 2002 Broom 42CL called Jspeed. She's in a superb condition, having undergone a number of recent maintenance items such as full service, lift out of water, pressure wash because she's got a copper bottom hull, so no anti-foul required, generator service and much more. So without further ado, let's take a look at Jspeed. So we'll take a look around the outside of Jspeed first. So here we can see the stern. We've got the bathing platform there, which is super easy to get on and off. We've got these handy steps on the port side, which allow easy access to then walk up onto the deck there. These two windows at the back lead into the large master aft cabin. So that lets loads of natural light into there. And we've got these two davits here. So this is an electric lowering davit system, which is controlled just at the back there. So you can put the dinghy on the back easily into the water and pull it up easily as well. And then we have a fender basket just there, handrail and cleats to each side. Got this lovely deep blue hull, the canopy there, that was new this season, hydraulic lowering radar arch, and these lovely wide side decks. Here we have the entrance door to the port side, which leads into the accommodation, and then leading onto the foredeck. At the front there, you have the electric anchor winch, fender baskets to each side, and lots of room to sit up the front on a nice sunny day. To show you how wide these side decks are, they're super easy to get fully around the whole boat. So we're going down the port side here, and then you've got the easy access straight into the cockpit. This cockpit features this lovely U-shaped seating area over on the starboard side. This table flips out to make it larger, but is also completely removable if you wanted that free from this area here. We've got gas locker underneath this seat there, and storage under here too. Moving up to the helm, these three seats are adjustable, so you can move them further backwards or move them forwards here like this to give a larger seating area there. We step onto here, we find everything that you'd need to really easily manoeuvre this gorgeous boat. So not only do we have bow thruster, there is a stern thruster as well. You've got all of your gauges there, switches down here for easy access, as well as here and here. We have ICOM VHF radio. This is a control for searchlight. Down here we've got autopilot, and then when we look in here, find a whole host of upgraded navigation equipment. There is also cameras fitted to the radar arch as well, and those cameras will feed into these screens, so you've got full visibility right the way around the boat. Just above me here, you'll see that there's a pram hood. So there's 3 clips and then a handle in the center. So you simply just undo the sides of these canopies, unclip these, and the whole front of this canopy will move back and sit against the radar arch there. So stepping inside Jspeed, we find the accommodation area. So the first place that we come to is the saloon, and over here on this starboard side, you can see this lovely, large, super comfortable saloon seat. There's storage underneath the seating area there. Just at the back we have our electrics panel. So you've got your battery isolation switches and all of your switches for electrics. There are 3 of these panels, an additional one in the master cabin and another one in the dinette for the forward area. We've got some more storage built in here. That would be sort of TV unit there. These steps are removable, so you've got then full access under the carpet to lift all boards up for engines. In here we find the bottle holders. And then just behind here, we've got a built-in dehumidifier. You've also then got the control just there for the heating system. And there are multiple controls for this. And then we move a bit further forward and we come to the dinette / galley. So your dinette's over on the port side. This does convert to an additional double berth, and it's a nice, comfortable area, and also a little bit more private than, say, the saloon, if that were to convert. So this gives you a nice spot, not only just for dining and relaxing with your friends and family, but if you had two sleeping there, it's going to be nice and quiet for them. There's storage built in here, and then just in this cupboard, we have the electrics panel for this forward area. Over on the starboard side, we find the galley. This is really well equipped. So you've got full oven and grill there. You've got a 3-burner hob, microwave, stainless steel sink, and Waco refrigerator. The flooring in this area has just been replaced. So this was carpet originally, and this has been replaced in a lovely synthetic teak, which really brightens this area up. Same as the carpet, that's also been replaced this season. Just here we have some more controls. So you've got your generator control there, the isolator for the electric winch. You've got a control for a fan in the galley and the water tank gauge, as well as 240-volt sockets. So this is going to be a great space to cook for extended stays on board. There's also plenty of storage built in here too. Then we move forward and we find the first of the two cabins. This is the VIP guest cabin here at the front. So this is a V berth, but it is very large and very comfortable. You've got storage built in under each side. You've got a hanging locker just there, windows and reading lights to each side, and just there we've got the escape hatch, which also lets in some lovely natural light. Just behind the berth there, they're the infills for the dinette. And then behind this door we find the vanity unit, more storage built in, a mirror there, and another hanging locker. So hanging space in this boat is very good. So both the cabins are ensuite. So we have the ensuite here to the guest cabin. This has had a recent addition of a new shower control unit. We've got the manual WC, that's 2 holding tank, and there's also a diverter valve for that as well, and then the shower there. This has got a Jack and Jill door, so this would work as a day heads as well as the ensuite to this first cabin. Then you'll go to the master cabin. This is at the back, which is always great because it gives you the full beam of the boat for this cabin. And here it is. So this is a really spacious area. You've got this island double berth. This has got storage built underneath. You've got storage to both sides. You've got that large double hanging locker there. Cupboards all across there, as well as drawers underneath, and some worktop unit there too, as well as another drawer and cupboard there. We've got those 2 windows that we saw from the outside and reading lights built in. And over here we have the vanity unit with another hanging locker, more drawers and cupboards there too, and that mirror built in. There's windows to each side, so this is going to have lots and lots of natural light. The ensuite to this cabin is just here. This is over on the starboard side. So here we have an electric WC. This again is 2 holding tank with a diverter valve. Got a larger unit there for the basin and storage underneath. And those mirrors there are actually cupboards as well, so they will all open up for more storage. You've also got an opening window just there. Really handily on this particular model, we have this separate shower. So this again has had a brand new control unit for the shower just there this year. And then you've got that whole shower area. It's super practical to have a separated heads and shower. So when you are using this, you don't have to worry about your heads area getting wet. One more thing to show you is the aircon unit. So this boat actually has a full aircon system fitted, and that has been fitted into this area here. So for those warmer days in the summer, you are fully covered with that aircon unit. So lastly, let's just talk a little bit about the engines. So this is your quick access panel at the back here. Here we have two Yanmar 370 horsepower, that's 740 horsepower in total engines. These have been serviced this year and had a full go over by a local Yanmar agent, and they're in a stunning condition. You have everything that you need on this particular boat, but also access to the engines doesn't just end with that quick access hatch. We find here additional access hatches. So you've got one just here for the starboard engine, so you can get to everything that you need to for your general checks before you go out. There's another one on this port side too, just under here where the steps have lifted up. But all of this carpet will lift up and you'll have full access to these lovely engines. So that is our full tour on the Broom 42CL Jspeed completed. As always, thank you so much for coming around on this tour with me. I hope you found it useful. If you have any comments or questions, get in touch with us. We'll come back to you as soon as possible. And make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel, where we post all of our latest full boat tours. But most of all, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.